Hello. Who are you?
Hi. Hey, so...
Who are you? This is you're supposed who are you?
Hi, I'm Tim, the dad.
I'm Crystal. What am I doing before?
So...
I'm so tired. Yes.
You guys know what happens when dad blows a gasket?
What happens?
He probably gets a little time in the doghouse. Simmer down some.
What happens when Sunshine blows a gasket?
You know what happens when Sunshine blows a gasket? She spends the weekend in the repair shop, and that's where we've been all weekend.
That's where this video's about. Fun! Not really. I'm tired.
So now we're still, we got
a couple more hours waiting on the parts.
Yeah, I don't even think the parts have gotten here yet. So Friday they tore it down, diagnosed it, got it ready, and ordered the parts, and
gave us
supposed to be in today, and yeah, hopefully they'll have it back together before they close this evening. But until then, we're kind of chilling in the car out front, because where else we gonna go?
Yeah, can't stay in the RV while they're working on it.
So we got me and Crystal and Gracie and Ollie and Abby all just chilling out in the truck.
But hi, watch the video. Okay. Ooh, bye. Where you going?
Okay. Going my spot. I was gonna go over here and show that the RV's under repair and that we're spending the weekend in
But you walked
the RV shop. We're at Superior Automotive and RV. Basically on the way out here to California, we blew a header gasket about 100 miles out, and it was so loud driving on in that we thought we were going to knock the bricks off of buildings as we drove by them. So, but they pulled it apart, verified it was a header gasket, and the plug wires themselves are burnt and melted. So we're going to have them replace the header gasket and put ceramic tipped plug wires in, just to be safe. So they've got it tore down now for the weekend. The parts will be here Monday. They should have it all put back together Monday and have us back on the road. So in the meantime, we're just chilling out here. So let's take a look.
Hey, what else are they doing to the brakes?
Oh, so since I've had this RV, I've had an issue with the brakes where whenever I have to stop, I cringe because it takes me a good long distance to come to a stop. You know, I basically, when I hit the brakes, they don't really stop the RV.
Delayed reaction.
It's a slower stop than what I'm used to, so I always make sure that I'm very careful in traffic and approaching red lights and stuff, that I start braking very early.
Which gets us separated sometimes.
Yeah. So come to find out, when they got to looking at this, it's got what they call, what he said it's a delayed braking system that's on here. Basically, they were at an aftermarket deal that was sold as anti-lock brakes for RVs. And what it does, it adds two separate chambers that when you hit the brakes, it's got to fill these chambers up with brake fluid before it pushes them out to the brakes and actually starts the stopping period. And they were sold as keeping you from locking up the brakes in your RV. And he goes, you know, that was really just a marketing ploy that you don't, you know, RVs are so big and heavy, you're not going to lock them up and skid anyway. So since they had to take the master cylinder off to get to the header, he's going to go ahead and remove those anyway, and I'll have better braking when he's all done. I think part of him wanting to remove them anyway is because he's got to touch the brake system and he doesn't want to put it back together with an illegal, unsafe product still intact. So
That we had no idea about.
yeah. So anyway, to get to it, they had to pull this front tire off.
You want to drive this thing?
Yeah, why not? And I also checked out the disc brake pads, and they're in good shape here. But the
Do I need to
here's parts of the master cylinder there. The header is way back in yonder. You can see where they've got it off in there, directly into the engine. But this is definitely not a job that
The dad can do.
that Tim the dad can do. So
You got all that down under there.
yeah. So that's where we're at. But they've got us jacked up all the way around.
So beforehand, we would travel with the bed of the truck all loaded up. We would put 2 bicycles in it, and then 1 bike and the girl had to go inside the RV to travel. And while we were out here, we're right by Camping World, and the Walmarts out here have a fairly decent RV section. So Dad's walking away from me. Dad's walking away from me. I can't walk backwards very well. So we decided to hit up the store and get a better solution for packing the bikes. Don't let me trip over that.
Yeah.
Wait. Now it's recording.
Huh?
Now it's recording. It wasn't. I can't.
So-
I have to stop it to flip it.
Boo. So we got a rack that allows you to put 2 bikes on the ladder rack, and I really don't want to put 2 there, but the bike that we used to put inside the RV now rides comfortably on the ladder rack on the back. You can see right here, we got a flat tire, so I'm gonna have to deal with that and get it back on the road. Why are you up so close?
I'm up to that.
But me,
Will you
So-
let me do this?
So now these 2 bikes now ride comfortably.
Temporarily.
Now ride comfortably on this bike rack,
The
which
one
we
thing.
put together yesterday.
The one thing we're iffy about is it covers the license plate.
So I'm thinking about actually putting this bike rack on the front of the RV because it also has one of these nifty little trailer hitches right up front. So that bike rack can go up front and those bikes can ride right up front. Now when I put this guy
We got this thing from Camping World.
on the back of the RV, which that's what we're assembling here in
Now.
a moment.
Oh, and don't forget.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I think I did that wrong. It's like, comment down below, and subscribe.
What are you doing with your
Like, comment, subscribe.
Thanks.
See ya. Why are you filming me?
I'm waiting for you to get out of the way.
Am I in the way?
Yeah, you want to unbox
Whoa.
that or what?
Am I gonna unbox this?
Mm-hmm. I skinned my knee last night. No. Yeah, that's recording now. You won't be able to see your head unless you're down here, but you can see that. My head's cut off.
Why would anybody cut your head off? You got a pretty head.
You did it.
What's
You know
that?
what really annoys me is that some of these on the warnings have periods and the others don't, and they're inconsistent, and that's very annoying.
On their bullet point?
Yes. Wait. These three go in these ones like this into the receiver bar and the support bridges.
The three?
Yeah, those receiver bar and support bridges go this way underneath this. Oh my god!
What?
It's heavy. The support bridge goes like this, but the receiver bars go like little ski things onto the support bar. See? And you want the three holes facing up. And that sticks out of one side. According to this. So it's whichever side goes into the toe hitch.
That doesn't match the holes.
No, look, the square holes.
Oh, there's square holes there.
The three squares. The square up at the top.
I didn't see those other holes there. For the center one. Does the center one have something bolted to it?
Oh, these get bolted.
To the. Where's the socket ratchet?
I'm confused. No. Okay, no, just go and tighten those three.
There's not a bolt hole that goes through those?
These use these four ones.
Yes, but is there a center one?
I'm not.
I mean, open one.
Ooh, they're heavy.
Yeah, there are center holes.
But
So how do they go?
like little.
Okay, so there's two straight ones and two curved ones.
These two are curved. I think the curved ones are the ones that go on this. See, it looks like it's curved against
Two
it,
in here, yeah.
but not the bottom, so you put it tighten the bottom one, but not the middle.
Huh? No, they go through the bottom one.
Are you sure? Because this picture was but
I'm sure. Push that bolt in. Does it show whether this goes this way or this way? The angle.
hold on. It shows that this piece is on top of the ones we just put. And by on top of, I mean closer to this one.
That doesn't fit.
The angle, I don't understand. I can't see the pictures very well.
So, what bolt secures these?
The only ones left.
Okay.
They have a typo on this. It's so annoying. It says if you need a 1.25, purchase a hitch reducer from you dealer. Do people not proofread anymore?
Rarely.
for it. Wait for it.
Boom.
It's us.
Hey, it's us.
And here we go.
No sound.
No sound. Oopsies.
So,
Hi,
you
Donovan.
saw in the video getting rocked by the hurricane. Wrote a book called RV Crazy. And we're going to give this book away. What do you think of that?
Sorry, just whack me in the head. What are we doing
At
now?
least that was a gentle whack. I was gonna say thanks for watching the video.
Oh, thanks for watching.
Yeah. Bye.
Peace out. You'll
See
be
you
good.
next week.
See you next week. Like, comment,
We did that already.
subscribe.
Goodbye. Where are we pointing? Right
Over
there?
here. Yep. If you're not already subscribed to us, click on the logo over here and subscribe.
Yeah.
Right up here's the video we think you might like. And right
Down
down
here.
here's a playlist with feature that's all, folks.
And down here we're featured in other people's channels, so watch.
Yay. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.